So finally, guys, Wcoin have started dropping our allocations on our connected wallet. And for those of you who have not received if you actually connected your wallet successfully and it was verified, you should be rest assured that it will deliver before the allocation period finishes. All right, so this video is majorly for the withdrawal and the selling process because a lot of people are confused. They're asking me in my DM how they can actually sell. That is why I'm going to be showing you step by step how you can sell from your wallet, because the process through which you're selling this time is not going to be the same as when we receive our usual allocations down to our centralized exchanges. This one is Tonekeeper, which is the decentralized wallet. So before we proceed, guys, you can drop your allocation in the comment section. So personally for me, guys, I had a total coin balance of over 500 million. But what I was given as allocation is around 418,000. So you can drop yours. You can also drop your price prediction in the comment section. Do well to subscribe to this channel so that you do not miss my future videos. Now, that being said, guys, if you are interested in crypto trading, to master crypto trading and make it a career for yourself, you should also let me know in the comment section and I'll guide you on how you can get enrolled into my VIP mentorship program, because I run a VIP mentorship program where I've been able to raise people who were not able to trade before, who do not even know how to draw the support or resistance lines before, who have never known how to place trade on their own before. But many people, ever since they joined my VIP mentorship program, they have been able to trade cryptocurrencies on their own. And that is what I will do for you if you decide to join my VIP mentorship program. And that being said, guys, you see this couple of papers here, guys, these dollars that you're seeing in my hands, especially if you're living in Nigeria, you need this to escape financial struggle. Without wasting much of your time, guys, let's get right into the video. So guys, if you come here, just today being 29th of July, you're going to see where they say the technical issues have been fixed. Wcoin Airdrop distribution has begun. And then check your wallets over the next couple of days. Everything will be fully delivered shortly. You can see that, guys, for yourself. Now, this is for those who have not been able to receive anything. Okay, they are trying to tell you that you should just be patient. Now they are making this announcement because if you scroll down, guys, you're going to see where they first say they had technical issues, because the airdrop allocation was supposed to start on the 27th. From here, guys, let's move to my Tonekeeper. Now, guys, for instance, you connected Tonekeeper. It's the same step that you're going to take to withdraw and sell your Wcoin. You can see my Wcoin here, where I have 418,084 here. So I'm going to show you now step by step. Even if you connected my Tone Hub or any Tone supporting wallet at all that you connected and you have received your Wcoin, it's the same step that you're going to follow. All right. So there are two ways that you can actually sell this Wcoin. Now, if they list it on centralized exchanges, you can go directly and copy the wallet address from the centralized exchange and send to the centralized exchange and sell there. I'm going to show you that step. That will be the second step. But for now, guys, the first step is to use this swap here. All right, you're going to use this swap. So we'll come here and we'll click on swap, for instance. And then the next thing you want to do, guys, is to make sure you use this switch over button here. Okay, or you can as well leave it this way, or you just switch over. Now, if you're switching over, guys, personally, if I was going to swap it here, I'll swap the Wcoin to my Tone, that is to Tone coin. So in that case, all you have to do is to click on that on the USDT up there, guys, and then you type your Wcoin here. Okay, you type your Wcoin. Now, the problem is that they have not actually listed Wcoin. Okay, so there's no liquidity for it. Otherwise, people will start swapping immediately. And that is why we are not seeing Wcoin here. But let's use this Wcoin now, for instance. If we click on this Wcoin, guys, and then we had, for instance, I had that 418,000 on this Wcoin, guys. The next thing I want to do is to type maybe 400,000. All right. So if I type on this 400,000 right now, guys, what the value of this 400,000 Wcoin will be reflected here. All right, will be reflected here, and automatically I will have the option here to confirm the conversion, that is the swapping. Okay, so that is how you're going to search out your W coin and swap it. In the same vein, guys, if you want to now, we can, in the same vein, let's use this stone coin. For instance, what you have here right now is W coin. You want to swap your W coin now to USDT directly, because you can do it here. All you have to do is to tap on this watch coin there, and then you search for USDT. You can see now that this 400,000, we are using it as an example for the W coin. If W coin was trading at the same price that Tone coin is trading right now, guys, and then we enter the 400,000 here, this is what we are getting to swap. Okay, and then you can see here where they say not enough funds. If you do not understand this explanation, guys, drop it in the comment section. Drop your question in the comment section. But just like I've said, so you put W coin on top here, guys, and then you click on this USDT here, and then you search for Tone. You can swap to Tone, or you swap directly to USDT. Then enter the exact amount of W coin you want to convert. If it is all, you can click on max, and then you're going to see an option here below where you'll be asked to confirm. Once you do that, guys, it will successfully be swapped. But what you need to have beside, guys, is your gas fee, and the gas fee have to be in Tone. Otherwise, you will not be able to swap it. That being said, the other ways that you can actually sell is when they have actually listed on centralized exchanges. So I'm right now on my Bybit account. Let's say they have listed on Bybit, okay, because they will do so very soon. Let's say they have listed on Bybit. The next thing you want to do, guys, is to come to this asset here. Is to come to asset. For you to fetch the wallet address of W coin now, you come to asset, guys. You tap on asset, and the next thing you want to do is to tap on deposit. All right, so you tap on deposit. You also tap on deposit crypto. Okay, you tap on this deposit crypto, and then it will take you to this interface. The next thing you want to do, guys, is to search for W coin. But because they have not officially listed on centralized exchanges, you will not be able to see W coin here. All right, so we are going to use examples that are related to W coin. Now, it has to be a Tone supporting coin. So let's say we just search for Tone itself. All right, so click on this Tone here, or you search for Tone, and then you tap it on it again, and then you tap on it again. It will lead you to this interface where you will see the wallet address here. Okay, you see the wallet address here. You have the option to tap on this to copy, or you tap on this address to copy. Whichever way, guys, once you tap on it, you're going to see copied successfully. And then you can now go back to your Tone Keeper or your Tone Hub or anyone you connected. Now, once you come back here, guys, the next place you want to click on is send, because you're actually sending out of your wallet. Okay, so, and mind you, guys, I'm saying if they have already listed the W coin on centralized exchanges and you want to withdraw down to that place before you sell. So the next thing you want to do, guys, is to tap on this send here, and then you paste the wallet address of the W coin, that is supposed W coin, guys. But don't forget, we are using Tone as an example. So let's say we'll click on max here, which means this is all that I have, and this is what I want to send out. So the next thing you want to do, guys, is to come down here and click on continue. All right, so you click on continue, and then it will lead you to an interface where you're going to authorize the transaction. After you do that, after a couple of minutes or seconds, you're going to see your W coin in your exchange. It is from there that you can use convert, or you sell through spot to USDT before you'll be able to sell to even Naira. All right, so if this explanation is not clear enough, guys, drop it in the comment section, and I may do another practical video that will help you through. But these are the two ways that you can actually sell your W coin. So they have started allocation, and the selling process will start soon once they list on centralized exchanges.